Now, every single day, Claude Cowork searches for the latest trending AI topics in my niche. It writes the posts for all of my social media platforms in my exact brand voice, and they get published automatically without me even having to open up a single app. Another workflow checks my emails every single morning. It drafts replies, and it has all of them ready before I've even had my first cup of coffee for the morning, before I take my first sip. Every task that used to take me all day is already done. And in this video today, I am going to be walking you through everything that you need to know about Claude Cowork. From the setup and the key features to building a full workflow like this from scratch. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up for yourself. Not a demo, not a concept, something real that saves you hours every single week. And everything that I'm going to be showing you in today's video, the prompts, the brand voice template, the skill files, all of it is inside our free school community. There's already over 27,000 people already in there, and they're already building and helping each other out. So what are you waiting for? Go and check it out. The link is down in the description. But right now, let's get started. So now, starting off, it's very important that we set up our workspace, okay? So let's start off by downloading the Claude desktop app, okay? So you're going to go over to claude.ai, and then you're going to hit download, and you are going to install it. And then you're going to sign in with your existing account. You are going to need the Pro or the Max plan for Cowork to actually work for you, okay? So once you are in, you'll see 3 tabs at the top. It's going to be Chat, Cowork, and Code. Then you're going to click on Cowork, and it's going to ask you to select a folder. Now this is really important, okay? Don't point it at your desktop or even Documents folder. Cowork works inside whatever folder you give it, okay? So it reads the files, it creates the files, and also it saves the outputs. So all of that is inside one specific folder that you choose. So basically, if you give it your whole computer, things are going to get messy really fast. So what I would suggest is creating a brand new empty folder, okay? Then you're gonna call it Cowork Workspace, and then you're gonna point Cowork at that folder. And now that it has a home, everything that it builds will live right here. Okay, so let's create one file inside that folder. Then we're gonna call it about-me.md, okay? And then you're gonna write 2 paragraphs, basically who you are, what your business does, who your audience is, what you care about. And then Claude reads this at the start of every single session. Now, you never ever have to re-explain yourself ever again, okay? And the cool thing is that Claude reads this at the start of every session, meaning that you never have to re-explain yourself ever again. Okay, so now last thing, go over to the settings, and then you're going to click the Cowork tab, and then you're going to add global instructions. So these are the rules that apply to every single Cowork session. Now mine says always confirm before deleting or overwriting any file. It's important to keep responses concise and to have basically no filler. Now think of this as that initial brief that you would give a new hire on day 1, okay? Someone just arrived in your company and you giving this to them on the very first day of work. Basically, you write it once, and it runs forever. They'll always know that thing. Now, one tip that saves me a lot of headaches is basically just to set up your computer so that it never sleeps while it's plugged in. Cowork runs locally on your machine, so if your laptop falls asleep in the middle of a task, it just stops. Now later on in the video, I am actually going to be showing you how to send tasks to Cowork straight from your phone using Dispatch. So you're going to want to stick around for that. But also on that note, that only works if your computer is awake, okay? So keep that in mind. Now that's your workspace. The folder, the context file, the global instructions, the sleep settings, everything from here builds on top of this. Now, let's get into the skills and connectors. So there are 2 things that you need to set up before you run a single workflow. That is the skills and connectors. So do these once and every future task gets significantly better. Let's start off with the skills. On the left sidebar, click on Customize and then on Skills. Now, without skills, you are basically explaining how you want things done from scratch every single time. And I mean, that can take a lot of time. So now with a skill, you basically just teach it once. You teach it the steps, the format, the rules, and then it follows that playbook every single time. And it's the difference between training an employee once versus re-explaining the job every single morning during a brief. You can kind of get why it's going to save you so much time. Now, you want to click on Browse Plugins, and then you're going to search for the marketing plugin, and then you're going to install it. And this gives you pre-built skills: draft content, brand review, campaign plan, SEO audit, and also email sequence. Now, you are going to customize them later. And now, let's set up our connectors. Go back to Customize and then click on Connectors. Now, this is where you link the tools that you already use to Cowork. So, for example, it will be things like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, your Slack as well. These aren't integrations that just pass data. So Cowork genuinely uses these tools the same way that you would. So just connect the ones that are relevant to your workflow. Now, if a tool that you need isn't in the built-in list, you can simply just add yourself through a custom MCP connection. And that's exactly what we're doing with Platato. I always connect with Platato as well. I use Cowork to handle my research and create posts for my audience. So it's literally my full content agent. But at some point, that content needs to get published. So Platato is what gets it there. It's a social media automation tool which lets you connect your social accounts, and it handles the scheduling, the posting across LinkedIn, X, Instagram, TikTok, the works. And it does all of that from one place. Now, this alone, it saves me hours every single week. I don't have to manually post on all of these places. And to connect it, all you have to do is just scroll down to Add Custom Connector, and then you name it Platato, you paste in the URL, and I'll just leave that in the description to make it easier for you. And then you're going to hit connect, and now your browser opens, you approve access, and that's it. Now, once you're in Platato, all you have to do is just head over to accounts and then connect your social profiles. So your LinkedIn, your X, your Instagram, TikTok, whatever platforms you usually post to. Now, that's all the setup that Platato needs. So from here, Cowork basically just handles all the rest. Oh, and also, by the way, if you want to try it out, just type in the code ZINHO30 so that you can get 30% off for your first 3 months. The link is down in the description below. Now, once it's connected, Cowork actually controls Platato. Okay, so writing the captions, scheduling the posts, managing your queue, even generating the carousels. There's no dashboard, no manual work on your side. So 2 rules that you have to remember before you start: read every permission request before clicking allow, and 1 job per task. Never stack multiple objectives in one prompt. If you split them, the output quality is so much better. So, skills gives Cowork expertise, connectors gives it hands. And now, let me show you the workflow that I use every single week. Now, before I run anything, there's one thing that Cowork needs that it doesn't have yet. It needs to know how you write. So, it's basically like teaching Cowork your brand voice. All you have to do is just start a new task in Cowork and then type in this exact prompt: interview me until you are 95% confident that you can write content in my brand voice. Ask me 1 question at a time. Simply just put that in and then answer every question that it asks. What's your niche? What's your audience? What tone do you use? What do you never say? What does a great post look like to you? Just paste in examples of your best content, and this might take you about 15 to 20 minutes the first time. But if you do it properly, you only ever need to do this once. Now, when Cowork says that it's confident, just tell it to save everything as a file called a brand/voice.md or brandvoice.md file. And you want it to be saved in your Cowork workspace folder. And then simply just tell it, update all my content skills so they always read the brand-voice.md file before writing anything. Now, every skill that you installed in step 2, every time it runs, it reads your brand voice document first. Your voice is baked into every output from this point on. You never ever have to explain your tone ever again. So what you want to do now is you want to start a new task, and here's the prompt. Search for the top 3 trending topics in AI automation from the last 48 hours. Now, for each one, pull the key inside the engagement angle and why it's resonating right now. Save everything as a research report called weekly-research.md in my Cowork workspace folder. Now, watch the right-hand panel. Cowork builds its plan before it does anything, okay? So it searches the web, it cross-references the sources, it extracts insights, it's formatting the report, it's saving it to a folder, and if the plan looks wrong, just stop it before it starts. Catching a mistake here basically takes 10 seconds. Catching it when it's 3 steps later is going to take you about 10 minutes. Okay, so save yourself a lot of time. Now, once the plan looks right, then just let it run. In about 3 to 5 minutes, a research report will land in your folder. You'll have the real source, the real insights, and it will all be formatted and ready for you to use. Now, it's time for us to give it a little task. So let's test out research. And now for task 2, let's let it create some content, okay? So you're going to start a new task, and then here's the prompt you want to use. Read the weekly research MD file in my Cowork workspace using my brand voice document and the draft content skill, and then write one post for each of the 3 topics. Each topic gets 4 versions: LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Each version should be formatted and toned for that specific platform. Save everything to a file called thisweekscontent.md. Okay, and then Cowork reads through the research report, and it reads your brand voice document, and then it uses the draft content skill, and then it writes 12 posts. 3 topics, 4 platforms each, and it's all in your voice. All of it is formatted correctly for each platform. So LinkedIn gets a professional structure with line breaks. X is going to stay under 280 characters with a hook. Now, each platform gets what actually works on that platform, okay? Not just the same caption that's copy and pasted 4 different times. So what you want to do is review the file, make any edits that you want, and then comes the final piece. This is the last task that we're going to be giving it, and we are going to publish it through Blatato, okay? So you're going to start a new task, and here's the prompt that you want to use. Read this week's content.md from my Cowork workspace using the Blatato connector. Schedule all posts to their respective platforms. Spread them across Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday this week. Use peak engagement times for each platform. Okay. Now, Cowork connects to Blatato, it checks which accounts you have connected, and it figures that out automatically, and you don't need to look up any account IDs. It simply just schedules each post to the right platform at the right time, and all of it is queued, all of it is formatted correctly, and all of it is done. That's 3 tasks. Your entire week of content is now handled. But the coolest part is, it doesn't stop there. Once your posts are scheduled, you can actually manage your entire content calendar without ever leaving Cowork. All you have to do is just start a new task and then simply talk to it. Say, show me everything scheduled for this week through Blatato, and then you'll notice that a full queue appears, and every single post, every single platform, every single time slot is all there. And then you can simply just say, move the LinkedIn post to Thursday at 2 p.m. And there it is now moved. That X post feels too safe. Rewrite it with a stronger hook and reschedule for Friday morning. You can put that in, and then Cowork actually rewrites the caption and it updates the schedule. See, just like that, so simple, and it's done. Then you can even put in what's scheduled for next week. Okay, nothing yet. Then you're going to take the same research and create 3 more posts for next week. Okay, 1 thread on X, 1 LinkedIn article style post, 1 Instagram carousel caption. Okay, now Cowork actually writes all 3, it schedules them, and now you have 2 weeks of content from 1 research report. Your entire content calendar becomes a conversation. There's no switching apps, no dashboard clicking. Simply just tell Cowork what to change, and it handles it through Blatato. Now, here's what makes this better every single time that you run it. Remember the brand voice document that we spoke about earlier? Every time an output isn't quite right, all you simply have to do is that you just tell Cowork what to fix, and then you tell it to update the brand voice file with that specific correction. Once you get to the 10th time that you've run the system, it's dialed into your exact voice, your exact style, and your exact preferences in a way that would take a human assistant so many months or even years just to learn. Now that's the connected workflow. Research, create, publish, manage, all inside Cowork, all in just 1 workspace. And now let's make it run without you. Let's make this even better. So everything that you just saw, the research, the content creation, the Blatato publishing, Right now, you are still triggering each task manually, which is already a massive time saver, but there's also a version of this where you don't trigger anything at all. Inside any Cowork task, simply just type in /schedule and then it opens up a scheduling panel. Then what you do is you set the time, you set the frequency. It can be daily, weekly, every Monday at 9 a.m. Pick whichever option makes sense for your content calendar. Now, here's the important thing. Every scheduled task runs as its own independent session. So they don't all just simply chain together. One task doesn't trigger on the next. So you have two options. Option one, you can schedule them with time gaps. So research will fire at 8 a.m., content creation will fire at 9 a.m. By then, the research file is already done. That's already in your folder. You can say publishing should fire at 10 a.m. and by then the content is already there. So each one picks up where the last one left off because they're all reading from the same workspace folder. And then you get into option two, and that is combine the whole thing into one scheduled task. So one detailed prompt that does all three steps, a single task that has access to all of your connectors and skills so that it can research, write, and publish to Bratato in one run. Now, either way, whichever option you choose, Monday morning, you wake up, you open up your laptop, your research report is in your folder, your posts are written, your Bratato queue is filled up for the week, and you did none of it. Now, do you remember earlier on in the video when I mentioned dispatch? Here's how to set it up. In the left sidebar of Cowork, find Dispatch, and then it gives you a QR code. You simply just scan that with your phone, or you can just open the URL in your phone, and now your phone is paired to your desktop Cowork. And then you can just queue tasks from anywhere that you are. Maybe you're on a train, maybe you're in the car, and you just immediately think of like a cool content idea. All you have to do is just open up Dispatch on your phone, you type it in, and then Cowork queues it for you. And when the scheduled task fires Monday morning, that idea is already in the research brief. So you are maybe out on a holiday or something, and you want to check your content queue. All you have to do is just ask Cowork to show you what's scheduled through Bratato, and then it pulls up your full queue, and you can just approve it from your phone, and then it's done. This is what the system looks like after about 30 days. Your folder has weeks of research reports that are all stacked up. Your brand voice document has been refined with every correction. Your Bratato queue is always full. And the whole thing runs on a schedule that you simply just set once. You went from manually doing everything to having an employee that can actually work for you while you are sleeping. And that is the full setup. 4 steps. Set up your workspace, install your skills and connectors, build the connected workflow, and put it on a schedule so that it runs without you. Now, most people who download Claude never even find Cowork. The ones who use it for one-off tasks and never build a system. Now, if you actually run what I showed you in today's video, you are going to be getting back hours every single week from the very first week. Now, everything from today, the prompts, the setup guides, all of it is inside our free school community. There is 27,000 members in there currently that are learning from each other. Go and join them. And also, don't forget that the link is down in the description below, and also a bunch of other links for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.